In the figure given above, Q is the midpoint of segment PR. If PQ is x plus 3 and QR is 2x minus 1, what is the length of segment PR? Now since Q is the midpoint of segment PR, therefore PQ will be equal to QR. So we have PQ equal to QR. Now PQ is x plus 3 and QR is 2x minus 1. Rearranging the terms, so we have 3 plus 1 is equal to 2x minus x. Now 2x minus x is x and 3 plus 1 is 4. So therefore we have x is equal to 4, and we have been asked the length of segment PR. PR is equal to PQ plus QR. Now PQ is x plus 3 and QR is 2x minus 1. Now 2x plus x gives 3x and 3 minus 1, that's 2, and we have already found out the value of x. So we have 3 times 4 plus 2. So we have PR is equal to 3 times 4 is 12 plus 2. So therefore length of segment PR is equal to 14, which is option D.